there is a little function that we have here that I want to show you this. So with our AI that we have, I'm going to click this little button up here at the top, create video. Remember from the beginning with webcam? We have this little prompt one right here at the end. See where it says prompt? This is called Ava. This is our little AI tool in here where you can create AI videos within here. You can choose the different kind of videos you want to create, greeting, social media, commercial, pitch. If you select any one of these videos and hit play,
Greetings. Welcome to
it'll give you an example of it. This is the video prompt that you can choose right down here, whatever you want it to be. Hey, create this for me. You also can choose your AI profile, like we talked about before. What part of your audience is this for? And then this is where you can upload an image. You can control the video size, duration. You can choose the time. But the cool thing that just happened with this update right here is normally we're like, hey, you can't upload something of yourself, a picture of yourself. But there was an update with the API where you actually can upload yourself in here. So if you want to try uploading your photo, there was one we did of me in here. It's pretty funny. I thought it came out pretty good. There's a slight difference that you can tell. Here, let me show you. If you come in here. Because maybe you want to do an AI version of you like standing on a deck or you're doing something individually, right? But you're physically not there. Let me find the let's see, I think it's right here. There we go. So this one right here. So uploaded a photo in there and you can tell a little bit with the smile, but watch.
Most agencies sell tactics. Here's what actually scales.
See, my teeth are a little bit bigger there. It's a little kind of, a little bit different, almost like I'm clenching my jaw a little bit. But it's still not bad. It's going to get better. So if you want to give it a shot and upload a photo in there yourself and you want to get it, give it a shot, give it a shot.